Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will explore our new Booking with Approval enhancement for booking calendars. Sometimes confirming a meeting requires more than just an open time slot. Whether you are screening participants before committing your time or working around an unpredictable schedule, Booking with Approval gives you an additional layer of control by allowing you to review booking requests before they are confirmed. This lets you evaluate each request and approve only the meetings that align with your priorities and availability, giving you greater flexibility to ensure you never miss any valuable opportunities. So let's take a look at how it works. So we'll head over to our booking calendar, select a calendar, and under session type, you have approval required. As soon as you check the box for this, your booking calendar is configured to offer meetings that will require your approval for confirmation. Now, let's take a look at how this functions. Now, as soon as your client accesses the link, they select a date and confirm a time. Let's say mark guest to the email, select the location, and submit the meeting. Now, as soon as they submit the meeting, a request has been sent for approval. Now, this triggers a notification to your email. So let's head over to your email and take a look. So there you go. You have received a request where Mark Guest has requested a meeting. Now, you have the option to click on this button, that is approve or decline. This will go ahead and take you to the activity stream where you can see the meeting and approve or decline the meeting request. Now, this section can be accessed from the schedule meetings as well. Now, whenever you're on your OnceHub account and you click on the schedule meeting tab, you can see the pending meeting request tab. That's where all the pending meeting requests will be listed. So I can access this section from here and approve Mark's meeting as well. Once I click on approve, the meeting has been approved and we are all good. So this is our new booking with approval enhancement in action. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.